Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Polkadot's version of the future Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits engineers to explore different avenues regarding new elements and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar updates as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates alterations or augmentations to the codebase, conventions, and administration components. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building pack created by Parity Technologies. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be distinguished and fixed before they cause significant disturbances on Polkadot. Furthermore, in light of the fact that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, in particular Web3 Foundation, any overhauls made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot 2 sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama, KSM? KSM is the local digital money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange expenses and marking prizes and fills in as security for parachains and majority rule support. Also, KSM holders can decide on administration proposition through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile, interoperable blockchain stage that empowers designers to fabricate applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilization's a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. Kusama likewise includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on proposition and settle on conclusions about the fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is as of now in its beginning phases of improvement. The group behind the task is centered around building a powerful environment of uses and administrations. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and security. What makes Kusama unique? Kusama is intended for designers who need to send off aggressive ventures with a quick developing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama exceptional is its emphasis on giving designers the devices they need to succeed. This incorporates highlights, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, shrewd agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain communications. Moreover, Kusama likewise has areas of strength for lovers and engineers who are devoted to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the evidence of work agreement instrument, which is energy serious, Kusama utilizes a designated proof-of-stake framework. This permits it to be more proficient and versatile than other blockchains. One of the special elements of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be overhauled without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot more straightforward to test new elements and updates. Furthermore, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, XCMP, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for designers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is fueled by dots, which are the local cache of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as dots have been tried on the mainnet. Also, dots give clients admittance to Polkadot's elements, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. In general, Kusama gives a special open door to engineers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different highlights in a free from even a hint of harm climate. Kusama, KSM, Technical Analysis. The Kusama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to fabricate and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot handoff chain innovation and utilizations parachains for versatility. Furthermore, it likewise utilizes parachains for adaptability. These three parts make Kusama perhaps of the most impressive stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, versatility and interoperability, Kusama has been planned from the beginning to address these difficulties. The undertaking raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The merchant SPY pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kusama's effective eco shows a gigantic interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kusama blockchain. With its imaginative plan, Kusama is strategically set up to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the famous digital money, Polkadot. The Kusama coin is novel in that it offers a way for clients to try out groundbreaking thoughts and undertakings on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the soundness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kusama coin has seen a critical flood in force starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers pay heed to the undertaking and its true capacity. Kusama, KSM, current price. Kusama is presently worth $49.75. KSM has moved 10.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $33,871,423. Kusama is presently positioned 81 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $422,835,879. Kusama, KSM, price prediction 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. KSM. The KSM cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $74.63. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $69.65 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $59.70. Kusama, KSM, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $124.38. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the KSM's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $99.51 and a typical exchanging cost of $109.46. Kusama, KSM, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 107.